Here's how to file a tax extension on TurboTax. So it's pretty easy actually. In the upper right hand corner, you're going to see this little help button. And when you click on that, it's going to pull open this AI assistant. Now I've already done this before, but I'm going to show you basically here at the bottom, you can type or ask something. So I could just type the word extension. And once I do that, it's going to search through the database of all the TurboTax stuff and also be able to give you a link to just file that tax extension. So you can scroll down, it'll give you some information about filing. But then at the bottom here, it actually has this little URL. And when you click it, it takes you straight to filing an extension here on TurboTax. So you get till, it looks like October 15th, 2026, and you can click Start Easy Extension right here. They say it takes about 5 minutes, so it's really quick to file that tax extension on TurboTax, and then they'll give you a link to your state to be able to file an extension there if you need to. That's how you can file a tax extension. And if you are using TurboTax and want to get 20% off one of their products, if you're filing, in the link in the description down below is a TurboTax affiliate link that supports this channel, but also gets you 20% off of any TurboTax product. So hopefully both of those help you, whether you're filing a tax extension or if you're just filing your taxes and can save a few dollars on those tax fees. Appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.